Hello, my name's Chris. I'm with Riton Optics, and today we're going to be mounting the 3 Tactix PRD2 under the Ruger 5.7 pistol. First things first, want to make sure we are clear and safe. No ammunition is on this table. My weapon is clear. There's no magazine back on the bottom there, and no rounds in the chamber. This weapon's clear and ready to go. Couple cool features about the PRD2. It's got shake awake technology, auto brightness and auto dimming, 50,000 hours of battery life, and solid aluminum construction. First thing we're going to do is remove the 2 filler screws on the top of the slide here. That is a 1/16 inch Allen key. Let's back those out. Awesome, let's hold on to those screws. And we're going to go over to the Ruger 5.7. This is the pistol optic adapter plate, specifically number 3 for the shield. We're going to open this up and get our adapter plate out. So we have our adapter plate from Ruger here. It does have the number 3 on there, and we want to make sure we are mounting this with the number faced up. In here we've got a set of 4 screws. The 2 smaller ones with the yellow thread lock are the ones we're going to be using to put this on here, the plate on here. Position those screw holes. So drop those in there. Hand tight. Make sure we're solid and lined up there. On the wheeler, we're going to make sure we have 35 inch-pounds. That's what Ruger recommends. So I'm going to take a T15 head, and we're going to just tighten these down. I'm going hand tighten first, and then I'll kind of make some adjustments, make sure we don't need any adjustments. All right, hand tight. Alignment looks great there. Awesome, and tighten them down. You'll hear the pop. Awesome, that one's good. Awesome. All right, now let's go over to the PRD2. First thing on the PRD2, we're going to take our 2032 battery, place it positive side up, so all the writing and stuff. Let's double check, make sure our dot is on, and I do have a dot. And we're going to place that right on top of our adapter plate here. Okay. Before I do that, let's get our next tool ready. I'm using a T10 now, and we're going to drop this down to 8 inch-pounds. Awesome, that's ready to go. All right, we're going to need our mounting kit, so ritonoptics.com, PRD mounting kit. We're going to use the 2 screws in there. Find them. This kit also has a lens cloth, a battery. Pretty good kit. Take the 2 screws out of this one. And we're going to make sure we are nice and on those posts with our optic here. First screw. And we're just going to go hand tighten first. Perfect. All right. Awesome, guys. We are all installed. My dot is on. That thing is ready to go. Guys, any questions you have at all, reach out to us, ritonoptics.com. We have a fantastic warranty on this optic and every optic we carry. Any questions on mounting, any questions on really anything. If you have an issue, we will make it right. Thanks, guys.